Okay, ready,
Set.
set,
Ga.
go. Okay, I'm gonna go. Okay, ready?
Ready.
Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. 大家好，欢迎到烧咖的稀奇可乐频道。今天我有一个 special guest，就是我儿子。Say hi。
Hi。
今天的视频是一个开箱的视频我刚刚从淘宝收到了好多的饮料，我在淘宝点的，然后我们一起开箱。哦，我女儿还在，要不要陪我们？Come in. You want to be in the video? No? Okay. Okay. 其实我不记得我点的是什么 ，so 应该我开箱的时候我也是 surprised. Okay, so the first one 就是一个 styrofoam 上着，还有应该有一个关，还是一个 pin. So what do you think's inside?
Maybe blam.
What's that?
Maybe dinosaur.
A dinosaur? I think it's a drink.
Maybe it's a dinosaur.
Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Let's see. Okay, you ready? Oh, let's get it. So, what do you think?
Dinosaur.
I think it's a soda, a cola. Oh, it's actually two colas. Dun dun dun.
Ah.
This is from, I think it's from Thailand. Be careful, don't drop it. And this one is called Chaba Cola. Chaba Cola from Thailand. Don't drink it. Don't actually drink it. So yeah, this one I remember I saw it there and I was like, why not try it? It has some Chinese on here. Batiya Kalachi Batiya? I don't know why it says that when it says in English Chaba Cola. Okay, so that's the first one we got here.
What's this?
That's styrofoam. Oh, you got some on your face. Look at it. Show them your face. What's that white stuff on your eye? Yeah. Here, close your eye. Okay. Styrofoam. Too much styrofoam. From the Chaba Cola. Okay, so put this one out of the way. Get the next box. Can you get the next box? Go get the box. Okay, Santa Claus is bringing the next box. This one is, I don't even know. Sounds like some soda, of course. Otherwise it wouldn't be here.
Maybe dinosaur.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Let's get this guy open. I think it's gonna be. I did order some Japanese ones. 应该是从日本点的，一些用淘宝点的日本的。哦，这个是从
What is?
俄罗斯的。
What is?
俄罗斯你会吗？ Russia. ちょっと待って I got more. Oh, it's two Russian. What are they called? This one was. What are you drinking? You didn't wait for me? Look at this thing. It's got a weird rainbow colored. It's not even in English. It's in Cyrillic. It's called Charam something. So this is a kvass. 应该是科瓦斯从俄罗斯 Don't eat it. Don't eat it. ダメ。
Why?
Because you can't eat this. It's poison. So 这个应该是一个现代的俄罗斯的科瓦斯的汽水，应该是。And I got 2瓶，因为我可以一个人喝，然后带到我办公室跟我同事试一试。
I'm drinking.
You're drinking it? Okay, so this one.
Yummy.
Yeah, BK something. 这个应该是叫 BK 科瓦斯 I guess. 好喝吗？ Yeah. 1903. Okay, so 瓶子是 solid, so 看不到内容是什么。
Split friends.
Okay, they're friends. Okay, so now next one. Get the next box.
Unicorn and unicorn. A and A.
Okay, go get the next one. Okay, next one is 感谢你的 what's this? 回应? 看不到. So yeah, let's try.
Maybe dinosaur is inside.
Maybe it is a dinosaur. I don't think so, but let's see.
Let's see.
What do you think? And it says it's easy to break stuff, fragile. 容易破.
Maybe Daddy is inside.
Daddy's inside? I don't
Yeah.
think so. I think there's a drink inside. So what do we got? Oh, it's got a paper. This one actually has a paper. It says... Don't open it. Okay, well, just take it out. What is that? It's a Fanta, a frozen Fanta. And I got... Why do I have 4 of these? I got 4 frozen Fantas. 这是从韩国的一个 frozen Fanta. 是冰的Fanta. Okay, 等一下。So, 我喝过 maybe 1年半以前我喝过那个可口可乐的 Coca-Cola Frozen in a pouch. 也是从韩国，可是我没有试过那个 Frozen Fanta， 这个是增味的 ，so 我点了，可是其实一共包括4条4张 ，careful. This one comes with some junk.
Do like this, okay?
Okay, whoops, you dropped it. Okay, so we got 4 of these things. Let's get this one to stand up right. It's got a little squished. Okay, so altogether we got 4 of these Fantas. We got the kvass, and we still got this Thai
Don't
drink.
touch.
Okay, I'm sorry. How about we put it like this? We have more space. Abanai, careful. Yeah. I don't think so. Careful, it's gonna fall. These 2 are too tall. Okay, put this one here. Put this one here. Move the Fanta down. Okay, I think we can fit all this. Our table's getting very full. Okay, next up we have, and we have one more after this, I think. This is the second to last one. What do you think's inside?
Maybe dinosaur.
Maybe, or maybe another drink. What do you think? Another drink?
Maybe eyes.
Maybe ice?
Yeah,
Ice or eyes?
eyes.
Ides?
Yeah.
Ides of March?
It's a website.
Yeah. Oh, I think this one is more Fanta. This is Japan Fanta. And how many? Oh, I got 3 of these. I got 3 Fantas, but those are Korean frozen Fantas. This is Japanese special edition Fanta. And I gotta figure out how to open this. Well, they wrapped this one up pretty good. This one should be the World... What do they call it? World Edition. Limited Edition Special World Series. I did the... what was that stuff called? The Romanian one. And now I have Lulo.
What is Lula?
Lulo is some sort of fruit. I don't know what is that. Is that an orange?
I want to eat
Lulo.
Lulo.
You want Lulo also?
Yeah.
Socata was the other one. Remember the Socata we did together? And it's from Romania. It's called Socata. That was the Romanian one. And this one... Here, I'll take out 2 Lulos. I have actually a 3rd Lulo. You want to pull it out? Can you pull it out? You pull that one out. I'm going to look at this. So Lulo 是什么地方的? Lulo 是 Fanta 世界の美味しいフレーバーは世界で人気の味わが楽しめる炭酸飲み物です。So 何国? Lulo 何国? Colombia. Oh, it's Colombian. It's a Colombian citrusy flavor with No actual juice in it, but did you get it out? Here, let me help you. Colombian Special Fanta Edition. Don't open it. Wow, this is so tight. There we go. One more. I got two. I got one more.
And they open.
Not yet. No. We gotta wait. We're gonna do separate videos for each of these. 我们会做各评各关，每一个我们就拍其他的 video。
This is Okinawa, right? Okinawa.
No, it's not from Okinawa. It's from Colombia. We did do Okinawa. Remember we did the Shikawasa. Got a special edition Fanta that I wanted to review
Papa,
before.
can I open?
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oops. I ran my cable. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now we got
Open.
3 Lulos. Oh, you're gonna put it on top? I think it's Abenai. Okay, don't touch it. Don't knock it over. Otherwise, that's gonna be a blooper video. Okay.
Open.
So get the last box. Whoa, heavy. My son is actually very strong. So this one has, I think it has a 6-pack in it, maybe. What else did we get? Was it another Fanta? Was it another Chinese generic one? I think it's 应该是一个国内的. What is it?
Oh.
Ooh, we got like a variety pack.
Wait.
A grape and orange. So let's see what this is. This is
Raspberry.
大连汽水.
Raspberry.
Is it raspberry? That's lychee. So these are all different flavors of 大连汽水. 是大连汽水的其他的味道. Careful. So we got Leisure. We got 张伟 orange. We got, what's this one?
Muscat.
Is it muscat or is it 烧米粉葡萄? So it's that's little honey. I guess it's little honey grape. I don't know. Honey and grape go together. Okay. Hayo. What is this one? Pingo. Apple.
Yeah.
Cantongo
Green
de
apple.
Cantongo de apple 怎么说? Pingo. Okay, wow, I can't see my son anymore. What's this one? This one is 大连汽水什么味道? Ellen the... I don't even know what that is. Okay.
I cannot see Papa.
You can't see Papa? Papa can see you? Okay, here we go. Put it here. Okay, so I don't even know what this is. No flavor. And then we have all these other ones. Okay, and we have, what is this one? Pear. 梨子, 应该是梨子. Well, what, this one doesn't stand up? The bottle doesn't stand up. The bottle's broken or something. Too much pressure is gonna explode. 然后呢，再一个没有味道的，应该是就是 cider or soda water. 然后呢，再有一个苹果. Wow, so that's like how many we have total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 bottles. That's why it was so heavy. 八条的. Okay, so here is our unboxing. I don't know if you can see this. Don't knock it over. Okay.
This is the tall building.
Yeah, it's a tall building. Okay, so as you can see, we got so much we can't even fit
I
it.
want to eat this.
You want to drink it?
I want to eat this one.
Okay. So 你们可以看我们点的是那么多，在那个。Okay, 你可以看我们点的是那么多，所以在那个照相机放不下。Oh, Daddy, who's on the side here? I can cut it, you know. Oh, who's this? 这是谁? Who's holding her up slowly in the camera? Yeah, okay. Okay, 我们点的是那么多，可是放不下，还有我的孩子是太多了。 OK，所以你可以看我们店的是那么多，放不下到一个镜头。我儿子就是太麻烦，所以我们可以在这儿结束。如果你要看我开了这个，还是这个，还是露露等等，再回来我的频道，给我一个 thumbs up，给我一个3连等等。OK，see you guys next time。说再见。
拜拜。
OK。
I want to eat this.
I know you do. I know you do. 我不记得我点。
Lab lab.
OK, ready, 3, 2, 1, go. 其实我不
Lab lab.
记得我。
Lab lab.
Aram, when I'm talking, can you not talk? Say lab lab.
Lab lab.
其实我不记得我点的是什么东西。
Lab.
OK, Aram, I'll talk and then you talk, right? When I stop talking, you start talking. When you stop talking, I'll start talking. Okay? Take turns.
Lab.
Ready?
Lab.
3, 2, 1.
Lab.
其实我不记得我点的是什么，所以我开箱的时候我们应该 be very surprised. OK， 这个是应该是一个关。其实我不记得我在网络点的是什么，所以应该。Just look at your face and don't say anything. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 其实我不记得我点的是什么，所以应该我开箱的时候我也是 surprised. Okay, so the first one 就是 not 2, not 3, but 4, count them 4 special heritage edition bottles from Coca-Cola. So this is a